Hi, welcome to my channel, day 56 of 30 words and expressions of 100 day. As always, quick review first. 不同 different. 不想 do not wish to do something. 不必 no need. 不安 unpeaceful. 直播 live streaming. 安心 be relieved. 激动 excite. 耐心 patience. 生气 angry. 宠物 pet. 小狗 puppy. 仓鼠 hamster. 自私 selfish. 白痴 idiot. 卑鄙 mean. 懒惰 lazy. 炫耀 show off. 幼稚 childish. Okay, now follow me to learn 才华部门领导 in Chinese characters. 才华才华 means talent. She is a talented girl. 她是一个有才华的女生。才华才华才华 talent. 才华 next one 部门部门 means department. 部门 How many departments do we have? 我们一共有多少个部门？部立口门点竖横折钩部门 department. The third one for today 领导 领导领导 means leader. Leader 领导领金令叶导leader 领导As leaders, how do we encourage them to do it? 作为领导者，我们如何鼓励他们这样做呢？领导 equals leader. 才华 talent. 部门 department. 领导 leader. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.